Naushin Ali Sardar, thank you so much for joining me at E Times. You have done films, and when I go through the Wikipedia, which is listed the films, these films, honestly, I don't know whether they released or whether they released, how did they fare?
Vikram Bhatt's film release, it didn't do well at the box office. Only I'll tell you the reason why, because it released on a Wednesday. There was a fascination of releasing it on the 3rd because the movie's name was 3 and 3rd happened to be a Wednesday. And anybody knows that the box office success is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So when it happened on a Wednesday, Thursday, the 2 days dropped. And the next Friday was Ramzan or Eid, one of it. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday went for a toss. So it didn't do well, but with critics, I got a lot of praise for my performance, and it got like a good 3.5, 4 stars.
The performance to आपका अच्छा है ही नहीं तो I don't think you would have stayed in Kusum itself, knowing Ekta being a stickler for people who perform. I just want to know that ये जो Wednesday को film release हुई, Wednesday को क्यों हुई? What's the reason?
मैंने बोला ना, film का नाम initially 3 था, right? But there was a clash between 3 Idiots and our film, so there was a title war happening. So that's why they named 3 and underlined में Love Lies Betrayal. So I felt that that name tossed it. Then the date of release tossed it, and of course the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday doesn't work. If 3 days goes for a toss, the whole film shelves. And I have no idea why it's still not come on OTT. Because if you ask me the best work of my life, it's not even Kusum, it's this movie, 3. It was shot in Scotland, and for me, it's like a dream role I got, and I can't even begin to say how beautiful the film is. So I hope, kya pata, 2022 is lucky for me, aur wo bhi aa jaye.
And from this list, बाकी कौन सी पिक्चर release हुई है?
दो दिलों के खेल में release हुई है. That was again, it had Rajesh Khanna ji and Anu Kapoor and Satish Kaushik as the father and father-in-law. And the hero was new, but it was a very typical Hindi film, like Gani, item song, Holi ka Gana, and I think it did fairly okay. Not wow. I didn't even dub the film. That's another story.
Why?
It was the first film that I signed. It took too long to complete. And when I was narrated the story, I was told that there's a kissing scene in the movie. So I told the producer director, I'm not going to do a kissing scene. And they said, okay. And on the set, they said, okay, you come close to the hero till here and we'll cut it. I'm like, okay, fine, I'll do that. And when I went to the edits, I saw that they got a duplicate scene, actor, I don't know what. I don't know if it was morphed or body double or what. They continued that kiss into another kissing scene with another pair of lips. And that looked horrible because ek to pata chal raha tha, it is not my face. You know what I mean? But I was like, people will think I've done it. I got a little angsty about it. So I kind of had a bad calling with the director, and then I said, I'm not dubbing it till you remove it. And then it became like a thing, okay, fine, we'll dub it with someone else. And I think ultimately they chopped the scene out and it's dubbed by somebody else. It's not even my voice. So I think that is another major reason it didn't look good. Because I have a very distinctive voice.
So they chucked the scene. They chucked the scene.
Yeah, in the end, they removed the scene and the whole thing was for nothing. In fact, yeah, it was really for nothing.
Just a case of, I mean, they didn't know what they were doing. I mean, they were not sure of how much to retain and how much to edit.
I have no idea what was it, but there was a lot of issues then during the edits. It was re-edited and re-edited many times. But I'm telling you, the music of the film is really good. The songs were so good.
So, Naushin, the next obvious question is, if you say that I don't want to kiss on screen, where does that leave you in terms of quantity? I know quantity is not the criteria to judge an actress. Neither her success nor her potential skill, etc. But kissing on screen has become a very integral part of most movies, and especially when you were praising OTT. I mean, you are also gravitating towards seeing OTT. Maybe you would like to do more OTT now. तो उसमें तो और भी ऐसे सीन्स काफी होते हैं.
मैं ये
तो
नहीं
फिर
बोल रही
आप
हूँ
ये कंडीशंस के साथ कैसे
इसलिए तो
आगे
मैंने
चलोगे और डायरेक्टर्स
इसलिए
को
तो
पहले
मेरा
से ही
इतना
बोल
काम
दो.
नहीं करा जितना होना चाहिए बिकॉज हर टाइम मैं यहीं पे फंस जाती हूँ जैसे मैम गोल्ड सीन है आई लाइक नो मैम ऐसे कपड़े हैं लाइक नो तो मैं वही फंस जाती हूँ एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट जो करता है वो गलत है इट्स जस्ट दैट माय अपब्रिंगिंग इज लाइक दिस आई कांट चेंज माय सेल्फ it's the conditioning over all these years. See, I came from a time where television was very gharelu, the scenes were very gharelu. My father had told me before entering the industry, okay, you will not do scenes which will, put us to shame. So, dimag mein baith gaya hai. A 15-year-old girl promised her father before entering the industry that, Dad, I will not, because I was also entering Miss India, I remember, and I was selected. But that time, they had a swimsuit round without a sarong. I didn't even ask my father. I knew he would say no. And I just left it. So that is where I come from. And I'm not saying I'm proud of it, but that's how it is. I can't change that about myself. I mean, a simple thing. I mean, as an actor, yeah, sure, you should drop all your inhibitions and be ready to do everything. I think I'm ready to do things in terms of acting, not anything else. Yeah.
So, when I talk to many actors of today, I mean, most of them tell me that, producers come or the storyteller, whosoever comes on their behalf, पहले से आके बोल देता है, मैडम, without telling you the role, that ये scene है इसमें. And those who want to do it will comfortably listen to it, or those who don't want to do it immediately tell them नहीं मेरे को नहीं करना है. Have you had those experiences where without telling you the story or your character, they first come and focus on that particular scene?
नहीं directly ऐसा किसी ने नहीं बोला है मुझे. मतलब in the narration over the period of the storytelling, I have seen or realized that, oh, the scene requires this, and that's when I have stopped them and asked them in detail. I mean, I remember I was selected by Dharmesh Darshan for a film, and he really wanted me to play the heroine. And it was a very filmy story where he spotted me at the airport and he came up to me and said, like, वो फिल्मों में होता है ना कि क्या मेरी फिल्म की हीरोइन बनोगी types. So very adorable human being. And इतना मतलब when I heard the narration, I was like shit, this requires a bikini, this requires smooching, this requires love making. I can't do it. But he's like, this is a dream role. It's like the most glamorous role. I'm like, I know I can't do it. So ultimately, I boiled down to doing an item song for him, which was very sexy, Zeenat Aman with long hair and low neck, but which was very classy. So it was in my comfort zone. And I did that. I mean, I gave up a meaty role, which was in my hand. वो अलग बात है, that film again, that also didn't release. But so I am very clear about what I can do and what I can't do, whoever comes in front of me.
That was the film we wanted to make with a lot of TV actors in it, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, so I think he took Ijaz and Sangeeta Ghosh that time. Yeah.
But did it complete?
No, the film got completed, but I don't know why it didn't release.
So what else is Naushin doing in her spare time? What is she doing? How does she pass her day? I mean, what's the day like? क्या करते हैं आप?
Well, in the whole pandemic, my life went for a toss. In the sense, sorry, my cat is running around. So, Momo, he's moving the whole camera, sorry. So yeah, initially I was in quite a shock. I went through spurts of like what is happening, and I was one of those people who didn't go out, over sanitize my house, all of that. I gained a lot of weight during the pandemic. So now it is about changing my lifestyle. I've hired a trainer online, a nutritionist online. I work out twice a day, which actually takes up a lot of my time. I cook my own meals because I have to see the calorie intake in it and the macros and the micros. So most of the time I'm doing that. I think running a house also requires a lot of time. I also am trying to set up my own business. Again, it's too soon to talk about it. So I go for meetings for that. And another OTT has been offered to me, and I have signed it. But again, I will not talk about it till we go on floor. But that's again a beautiful story, and I'm playing the lead role in it. So yeah, so that's going to happen in Jan, uh, probably. Yeah.
I'm seeing those alphabets there, and I'm tempted to ask you that is marriage here around the corner? Already some
ये
setup
क्या
of
होगी?
some a baby around.
ओ, तुम तो बच्चे में भी मर गए जिसका
मतलब
बच्चा पैंडेमिक में नहीं हुआ तो कैसे
शादी तो
होगा?
शादी तो हो सकती है.
I
Does
want to get
Nausheen?
married.
Pardon?
I want to get married. Yeah, I want to get married. In fact, since 3 years I've been wanting to get married, but ये pandemic ने पूरे romance की धज्जियां उड़ा दी है. Literally, like you can't go on dates, you can't meet people. I'm talking about the lockdown phase. So yeah, I am meeting people. I go on dates. I'm trying to get to know people, but I have not found the one yet.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So can we say at this moment, 29 December 2021, Nausheen
Okay.
Alizadar is single?
Yes, I am single.
Okay.
Absolutely. I have to literally put it on my I keep posting it on Instagram sometimes because I told you the story, right? Wikipedia had showed that I was married or whatever. So people got this impression that I'm married, I have a kid. I'm like, no, not at all.
Chalo, it's good to see that, it's good to hear rather that you believe in marriage.
I have my thoughts about marriage. I am a romantic by heart, and that's the reason I have not just gotten married. You have to understand. I could have gotten married so many times. I had opportunities in my life, like the right relationship or the right moment. But whenever I saw a red flag, I backed out. And I have seen people, because they are under so much of pressure to get married, they just ignore the red flags, thinking that ये शादी के बाद बदल जाएगा, ये शादी के बाद बदल जाएगी, या मैं उसको बदल दूंगा या बदल, whatever. You understand what I'm saying? And I think that's where I come in the picture, where I believe that you should not change anyone and you cannot change anyone. If someone has to change, they will change on their own for their own self, because we as human beings are very selfish and self-centered. We don't love someone because we love someone. We love someone because how they make us feel. If you understand what I'm saying.
I am understanding.
It's a very deep thing.
It's a very I think what you're saying is right. What you're saying is right. Okay, go on.
Yeah. So that's where my marriage has not happened yet till date, is because I'm not saying I'm looking for someone who's perfect, but I think if I find someone who is compatible with me on all levels, and I don't have a question in my head, okay, I see this red flag, I cannot work with red flags. I mean, everybody has their own different red flags, and I have my own. And the day I meet someone that there are no flags, then great.
but ये red flags आपने क्या देखे? मतलब किस टाइप के red flags आपने देखे जिसकी वजह से आपने एक step पीछे ले लिया?
Well, I'll be very honest. Just say in my when I was in a couple of relationships, there was a red flag which I experienced time and again, was over possessiveness, like over possessiveness, and that is something I can't handle. Because see, at the end of the day, I'm an actor. People will look at me. I like to dress up. I like to go out. But if someone is with me telling me that why is that person looking at you, or why are you looking at them, or that little psychotic behavior, that's when I feel that this will not work for me, and that's where I back out. Or if there's especially I think red flags are mental. Where I see something mentally is off about somebody.
Were these men also telling you what you should wear?
One of them was like totally psychotic in that ways. As in not what to wear. It's like, oh, I can see your strap, your dress is transparent. Oh, why can I see your slip through your dress? Slip, huh? So such stuff used to make me feel like, यार एक तो मैं इतना ढकी ढकी कपड़े पहनती हूँ, उस पे भी तुम ऐसे बोलते हो या सोचते हो. And yeah, I have seen a lot of insecurity in men. I don't know why, but yeah, insecurity बहुत होती है.
Did someone try checking your phone?
Yeah. Once it happened, and it was so weird because I used to जिसको मैं अपना भाई भी मानती थी, he used to be like, oh, I'm sure he's hitting on you. Like, dude, he's like my brother, So I kind of, faced a lot of that over possessiveness, and that was a big no-no.
Did someone also tell you that if I marry you, you should stop working?
Yeah. My first relationship was like that. So yeah, he told me that I don't want you to act anymore.
Thank you, Nosheen. Thank you so much. I appreciate the way you have spoken. I wish you the best of luck for the upcoming film.
Thank you.
And my best wishes to you कि आपकी शादी जल्दी हो जाए.
I should thank you also, Vicky.